And we have some breaking news coming in. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra has responded. He has reacted to the incident that has happened this morning. Uddhav Thackeray has ordered a probe into the fire at the Virar hospital that has claimed at least 13 lives so far. That's the breaking news that we're getting to you this morning, that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has taken stock of the situation. He has ordered an investigation into the entire incident, which has claimed 13 lives so far. That's the breaking news that we're getting to you, that the Maharashtra government has ordered a probe into how the fire had occurred at the ICU ward of this hospital. Now remember that at 3:15 a.m. a fire was reported at the ICU ward of this hospital in Virar, which has claimed 13 lives so far. 13 lives have been lost in this tragedy, which happened this morning. Big breaking news that we're getting to right now. Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, has ordered a probe into the fire incident. Getting you all the latest updates on the fire at Vijay Vallabh Hospital in Mumbai. Now remember that the hospital was treating COVID-19 patients. 13 casualties have been reported so far, and the patients who have been saved from the ICU ward are being shifted to other hospitals nearby. The Chief Minister this morning has reacted and has ordered a probe into the fire incident at the Vijay Vallabh Hospital in Mumbai. Now remember, this is not the... Now joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Yesha. Yesha, Uddhav Thackeray taking stock of the situation, ordering a probe into the fire incident. That's the latest news we're getting right now.
That's right. So what we've got to know is right now an inquiry has been initiated in this matter, and as of now, like we know, there are 12 deaths that have been reported. According to the official statement that has been released by the COVID room of the Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, what we've also got to know is that this particular hospital, that is the COVID hospital, Vijay Vallabh COVID hospital, where the fire broke out, was a 1+4-story hospital, and the fire broke out on the second floor, which was because of the problem with the AC right outside the ICU ward of the COVID hospital. Is when the fire broke out. There were 3 fire tenders that were rushed to the spot, and the fire was brought under control, say, by around 5:20. The fire broke out at 3:15, and post which the fire was brought under control at around 5:20. There have been 12 deaths that have been reported according to the official statement of the Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, but the owner of the hospital has been saying that there are 13 deaths. As of now, what we know is that people who survived are now being moved to the other hospital. The patients, that is the ICU patients who require an immediate care, are being moved to the other hospitals. Apart from that, there were these 17 people. There were 17 people who were there in that ICU ward, of which 12 have succumbed in the incident. And apart from which, now there are around 5 to 7 patients who are being moved to the other hospitals.
Well, the latest news that we're getting right now, that 13 people have died in this incident. You know, Dilip Shah, the CEO of Vijay Vallabh Hospital, has just reacted, and he said that 13 lives have been lost in this tragic incident.
That's right. So while there's an official statement which says that 12 deaths, the CEO of the hospital is saying that there have been 13 deaths. So there's been a discrepancy on the end of the official, that is the officials of Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation and the CEO of the hospital, which is once the official statement is out from the Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, would there be a clarity on it? But like this is the second such instance in the last series where the CM has ordered an inquiry. Even before this, in the Nasik incident, an inquiry was ordered by the CM Uddhav Thackeray.
All right, we're going to be tracking this story very closely. The death toll is rising. 13 people have lost their lives in this tragic fire at the hospital in Virar, the Vijay Vallabh Hospital, where a fire had taken place this morning.